Hello everyone. This math challenge question will be quite interesting. It is about 100 soldiers in a line. Okay, there are 100 soldiers lining up and each one of them is allocated a number from 1 to 100. So here you just keep it simple. Just imagine you are facing these soldiers and number them from the left to the right. We don't want anything to be complicated. Then the soldiers allocated with an odd number will leave the line. So there will be only 50 soldiers remaining. And now we will just reallocate the number from 1 to 50 to them. And once more, the soldiers allocated with an odd number will leave the line, and the remaining ones will be reallocated with the numbers from 1 to 25. So if we continue to do this until there is only one soldier remaining, so now the question is, what is their allocated number in the first place when there are 100 soldiers in the line? In other words, what is the position of this soldier in the initial line of the 100 soldiers? You can pause this video at this point and spend as much time as you need to work it out, and then we come back for the answer. So if you want to work out this question from the description of it, maybe you have to prepare 100 paper cards and write number from 1 to 100 on each one of them, and then you just line them up on the table. So round by round, you just take away the cards on the odd positions until there is only one card remaining, and then you can review the number initially written on it. This method will work, but it just takes too long time. Just like many other questions, maybe we can think about the strategy of the reverse thinking. So if we work on this question backwards, let's see whether it is easier and quicker. So we start from the final round when there are only two soldiers. Apparently, the first soldier will be removed from the line and only the second soldier will stay as the very last one. And if we look at the positions of these last two soldiers in second from the last round, we will see they will appear at the second and the fourth position, with the last soldier being the fourth one. And then, if we look at the positions of the last four soldiers in the third from the last rounds, so it is not hard to determine that they will appear at the second, fourth, sixth, and eighth positions, and the very last soldier will appear at the eighth position. So if we just keep working in this way, we will see that particular soldier in the previous round will appear at the 16th position. And then in the previous round, they will appear at the 32nd position. And in the previous round, they will appear at 64th position. Because there are only 100 soldiers in total, so it is not possible for this soldier to appear in the 128th position in the previous round. So that means the 64th position is the final answer. You will see from round by round, the soldiers before this guy and after this guy will be removed from the line, and this person will stay to the very end. So if you don't trust me, you can use the paper cards to do this demonstration and to prove whether the 64th soldier will stay to the end. So this question is another good example for the reverse thinking, and I hope you enjoy it.